Hey everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another video. YouTube picture-in-picture is a very common feature for the Android users for a long time now. Of course, it is understandable as YouTube is Google's own app, so they will provide their OS users some privilege. But things were quite different for iOS and iPadOS users. Even after being a very sought-after feature, Apple users didn't have access to that, not even for the YouTube Premium users whom Google charges 129 rupees per month. But things are finally changing and Google is implementing picture-in-picture in the YouTube app for the Apple users as well. If you do not know, YouTube picture-in-picture allows users to watch the YouTube video in a mini player at the top or at the bottom portion of the screen while simultaneously browsing other apps as well. To enable it on your iPhone, open the YouTube app, then at the top right corner, tap on your account, then go to Settings, and then go to Try New Features option. This is a menu to try experimental new features on YouTube. So basically, these are beta features. Here, if you scroll all the way down, you will see picture-in-picture on iOS. You need to tap on to try it now option and the menu will change to this. Now we are all set here. Let's go back. Now go to General and here you will see the picture-in-picture toggle. You need to enable this one. Now let's play a video from my account. Here we go. Now while playing, if you swipe up from the bottom, the video will keep playing on the mini player. If you tap here twice, the mini player will change size. Right now only two sizes are available. Also right now you can place this player at the very top or at the very bottom of your screen. But picture-in-picture is not available for YouTube Shorts right now. One important aspect here, if you are an YouTube Premium user and used to play the videos on the background, that is not going to work with picture-in-picture enabled. Every time you turn off the screen, the picture-in-picture playback will stop. So to enable background play, you have to disable the picture-in-picture option. Right now, this feature is in beta stage and is only available for the YouTube Premium users. But I hope YouTube will implement it for all users pretty soon. If you have liked this video, please hit that like button and do share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I will see you in my next one. Peace.